Well, receiving funding for a community project could seem like a daunting process, but with a few tips, all that can change. We have Carrie Lance from the Kansas State Research and Extension Office with us this morning with a few tips to help you finalize your next grant. Good morning and welcome to you.
Hi, good morning. Thank you.
So talk to me a little bit about grant writing basics.
Okay, so we have a grant writing workshop coming up on May 15th at the Parsons Research Center. Nancy Daniels, who is the Community Vitality Specialist from K-State campus, will be coming down, and she is the grant writing guru.
Okay.
Like you said, yes. It can be super hard to know where to get started, to be able to find your community needs, and she is all things grant writing. So she's going to be there to give us tips and tricks on where to find that information, right. Where to even look to find what grants are available to you.
Now, is this open to the public?
Absolutely. So, this is open to anyone.
Right. And so specifically for people, kind of what individuals are you gearing this towards?
So Nancy's forte is in the nonprofit side of grant writing, but she also had it in Parsons because she knows that there's been some infrastructure issues in some of our local communities. So she's really looking forward to having some of our local city government, our rural water districts, volunteer fire departments, and things like that to be able to come schools. Teachers are always looking for grants to better their classrooms. Yes. So anyone is available to come. But the Kansas Hub, the infrastructure hub, will actually be present as well.
Fantastic.
And they're able to help bring in some of those match dollars from the federal infrastructure. And so if they have a qualifying project that they're able to do.
Okay, fantastic. And is it even open for someone who might not have a specific grant that they're looking at, but want to find more about the process as well?
Absolutely, yes. This is great for beginners. It's great for anyone who's just starting off, or it's also a great refresher course for anyone who has been successful in writing grants in the past as well.
Fantastic. Now, if people want to attend this workshop, when, where, give me all those details.
Absolutely. So the workshop is May 15th in Parsons at the Extension Research Center there. And they can call our office at 620-784-5337 or email me at clance@ksu.edu.
All right, fantastic. Well, thank you so much for being with us this morning. Happy to have you. Stick around. We'll be right back.